Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install old Nvidia drivers onto your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice, and I'm going to have a link to this Nvidia download page in the description of my video. You're going to have to scroll down and select underneath beta, older drivers, and more. Select the beta and older driver section. Unfortunately, I can't link this download page in the description of my video. It just takes you back to that other page, the first page. So you're going to have to start here and then select the beta and older drivers, which isn't a big deal. Go ahead and select your product type in here and then just fill out any applicable information for your computer. Select the search button, and then you'll go ahead and download the applicable drivers for your device or any older versions that are available. For your device, select the little plus next to it, and then you can just go ahead and select the driver and then select download, and that's how you download old drivers. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.